Project Catalyst Fund 11 is open for voting, and hopefully you have registered your wallet so you can actually vote in this fund, this round of proposals that have been submitted from the community. Now, if you've never voted in Project Catalyst before, but you did register your wallet and you're ready to go, this video here that I created quite a while ago now, back in 2021, is still valid, and you can still use that video to go through and learn how to vote, how to browse all the different proposals and go through the app itself, the Catalyst voting app. Once you've downloaded it, register your wallet, connect your wallet in there, and you'll be able to start voting on your favorite proposals. Now, I do have a few projects that I am involved in, and I'll go through some of these so that you have an idea and potentially can shortlist them for your votes. The very first one here is Polkadot Cardano Unifiers. So this is a collaboration between Polkadot and some Cardano ambassadors. We are looking at where we can collaborate on different aspects to try and unite these two communities. We have Midnight coming very soon on Cardano, and we also have a lot of sidechain development with Substrate from Polkadot. So there's going to be a level of interoperability here, and it's really important to try and see what each of these communities are doing so we can share knowledge in building Web3 applications across these two different ecosystems. So this is the first foray into that. We are working with some key people within each of these ecosystems to onboard a bunch of stakeholders, do some knowledge sharing between both the communities, and then build up Web3 adoption working groups, open governance working groups, and interoperability working groups. The Polkadot community are quite ahead in terms of governance and how they've set things up to make it as easy as possible for their communities to vote. So if we can learn some things from them in these workshops, I think it will be a huge plus for the Cardano ecosystem. So check out that particular proposal, search for Polkadot-Cardano Unifiers, and you'll be able to find that one in the Catalyst voting app. The next one I have here is around the Cardano Press ecosystem. There are so many projects using Cardano Press at the moment to build their community websites, their stake pool websites, whatever it might be. And it's a really easy way to build a dApp style website with this little connect button here that enables you to connect your website, create a user account on the website, and then you can do all sorts of things like token gating, stake pool delegation gating, and all sorts of really cool mechanisms around it. We have a proposal, this fund, to do a really deep security audit by a third-party firm called PatchStack. And they'll be doing a deep audit of our core WordPress code, which forms the foundation for everything that we build. So this is a framework that we build on top of, and every last single Cardano Press website out there, there's just over 100 of them active installs at the moment. All of those websites will inherit these security improvements and optimizations into their website. So I'm pretty excited about this one because it will protect a whole bunch of websites out there. We've done everything we can, of course, to make sure the plugin is as secure as possible. We're following the WordPress security standards and everything else around it, but anything else that we can do to ensure the utmost level of security within the plugin to protect the Cardano ecosystem is really important. So if we get support on that one, that would be absolutely awesome so we can get this audit done. This next project here, we've partnered up with Ecoterm to build up their resource portal to create a digital certification on the blockchain itself. So we're using stuff that we've built for Cardano Press to build their digital certification platform to help people build these earthen brick homes. So there's a lot of methodology and education required to go through and build these earthen homes. And we're using the website that we're building to create a blockchain certified platform where users can go through the course, get certified, and then use the resources on the website with their certification NFT to continuously get those resources and up-to-date information about creating earthen brick homes with Ecoterm. They've done a lot of really cool stuff in the Cardano ecosystem to raise funds and build homes and create real world impact. So I'm pretty happy to be supporting this project and being a part of the team as well. The very last proposal I have going is around the Learn Cardano ecosystem. And this is a DeFi play where we're building up to 10 courses in the DeFi ecosystem. We've already built one big course around the MinSwap ecosystem teaching people how to use the MinSwap DEX. Now, you may think MinSwap's so popular, there are so many people already using it, but there are a lot of people that don't. And I get this from a lot of questions that are asked within the videos that I produce, as well as the meetups that I attend and organize. A lot of people just do not participate in DeFi because they do not know what to do or understand the risk behind it all. And this course is there to educate those people so that they can get onboarded into the DeFi ecosystem and look for these potential opportunities and gains. Now, this is a collaboration process with the community as well. So MinSwap was just an example. I'm currently working on a Fluid token one for myself at the moment to put up on the website. But this will be an engagement process with the community to work out what DeFi protocols, what courses are required so that we can start building them on the website. Furthermore, we're taking it to the next level by providing translations on all of these courses. We have to enable the website to handle language translations, but then we'll be working with a local Japanese translator to get these translated firstly into the Japanese language, and then we'll start looking at other areas and other ecosystems and other countries where users aren't participating in Cardano DeFi. And we can pull this up from all the analytics and stats on our platform as well. So we're pretty excited to try and grow this and build up Cardano DeFi and the level of adoption on all these different places. So thanks for watching to the end here. I know this is a little bit of a self-promotion video, but I've been taught and told by many others, if you don't talk about your project, if you don't talk about what you're working on, people won't know and people won't vote for you. So hopefully you guys get something out of this. Hopefully you guys can also possibly vote for some of these proposals too and support some of the work that these brilliant people in the Cardano ecosystem are doing. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.